Okay, what happened to Tom here?
Front right. I thought it was going to be right rear.
Oh man. Oh dude, how are we gonna get this thing
Go around and
off?
look at it. It's pretty gnarly.
How are we gonna get this thing off?
Oh, we got everything good. I'm just letting air out.
Man, that's gonna give you a hernia.
No, him and I lifted up good run. Go around front. Look at the tires. The tires under the rim.
What the hell? That damn Tom. What happened? Okay, man, now we have the AEV rig. All you AEV guys don't off-road like Tom McGovern does in his AEV. So now we got a flat tire. Check out his rip. Look at that. What kind of AEV guy does that, man? Rip the sidewall. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. We could patch that, dude. We could patch that one. They have a new patch. You seen them? You just glue it on the outside.
I have those, and I have the one where you shove it in and it plugs it from the inside.
Yeah, let's try the patch.
Dude, ain't nothing big than that.
Oh, dude, look at that. You guys are genius, man.
Ready? Yep, hold it on. All the way down. To the ground. Is it going up? Yep, it's going up. It's going.
Yeah, oh, stop. It's coming this way a little bit.
It's coming this way?
This way, yeah. I think you guys are good.
Yeah, see it? Pushing this way. Okay, let's let it down and I'm going to pull the bottom out. It's just because this is pushed right in. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You want to switch it over that one now?
Maybe,
this one's staying up. Oh, that one's still up?
Yeah.
So you want me to bring it down? I'm going to bring it down.
I think we're good, man. Look at it. Does it move?
See, this is, well, yeah, we can dig some
Yeah,
of this out.
let's dig it out.
But give me the,
I think it's safe.
give me the lug nut.
We have plenty more space to go up.
Yeah, you want to move the tire frame? You want to move the tire straight?
No, that should slide on. Yeah, I couldn't find my battery. My battery's so girls.
Okay, so what'd you learn on this, Tom? Bring your bigger jack. I have a 15-pound.
You only need the big jack when
you need to get a 25.
You don't always need the big jack.
Yeah, you
Just buy
do.
that ARB one.
Yeah.
That's like a
I
high
almost bought was the filler one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the exhaust
I
one.
almost bought that one for the middle.
Yeah, you need a jack for this bad boy.
That would have lifted it right up.
After this, we're going to town to get new jacks.
We're going to a campsite.
Get the big red. That's the best off-road jet, hydraulic jack.
You want an impact?
Hey, Ken. Ken.
Love? Yeah, love on my dog.
Oh my gosh, you guys are.
I got an impact in the
What?
You want the impact in the Toyota?
We got one, we just don't have the battery.
Oh,
You have an impact
Nice.
in the
Without
battery?
the battery.
Oh my god.
nice.
He does have one with
I have the air compressor.
air compressor, but then we got to put that up.
We're all newbies.
But then we
We're
got
gonna have to get that.
We
out.
never have problems on the trail, so this is the first time. Well, I mean, last two times we went out with Jason, we rebuilt the entire Jeep twice. That was crazy. That was crazy. Remember that?
That's funny to watch Jason do that.
We rebuilt this entire Jeep, and the only bolt that he needed was on my high lift jack. Okay, so you got
Yes. Man, that's a lot of mud, dude.
Oh yeah.
Why do these two guys to the left and one to look at the hole?
Yeah, get it in the hole.
One person has to guide the hole. Bring it down a little bit. Yep. There you go, got it.
How many guys does it take to change a tire?
So, negative on the impact wrench.
6.
7.
7 jacks.
Right, Jack?
Now, what kind of tire did you pop?
Hey, come here, Dominic. Cooper STT.
Oh man.
Negative on the impact wrench.
Screw them onto the screen.
My son painted.
Okay, this is the Cooper. Look at this. Wow.
Give it a good picture.
He must have had a problem with it because this is unusual.
No, the big log was sticking out and it just ripped it.
Oh well.
Probably needs to